Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today, we're diving into a product that might just be the unsung hero of your home or office setup, the Dysead Mini USB cable cord. This isn't just any cable. It's specifically designed with compatibility and reliability in mind, making it an excellent choice for a range of devices, particularly those neat receipts scanners like the NeatDesk NM322, NM346, and NM30271. For anyone who relies on their neat receipts scanner to keep their documents organized, a dependable connection is absolutely crucial. This Dysead cable steps up to that challenge, ensuring a stable and efficient data transfer, which is exactly what one needs when scanning important receipts and documents. It eliminates the frustration of intermittent connections or slow transfers that can plague lesser quality cables. But its utility doesn't stop there. While it's a perfect match for those specific neat receipts models, this mini USB cable is also a versatile workhorse for a broader array of US standard devices. Think about connecting it to various computers, monitors, printers, or other scanners. It's designed to be a go-to solution for many home and office appliances that utilize a mini USB port, making it a truly practical addition to any tech arsenal. The brand emphasizes its compatibility with laptops, further broadening its appeal as a general-purpose connectivity tool. What truly sets this Dysead cable apart, however, is its commitment to quality and safety. The product boasts international quality certification, which immediately instills confidence. It's manufactured to comply with top industry standards, meaning it's not just a generic cable, but one built with precision and care. This dedication to quality extends to its numerous built-in safety mechanisms. We're talking about protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. These features are paramount, not just for the longevity of the cable itself, but more importantly, for safeguarding the valuable devices it connects to. It provides peace of mind, knowing that your expensive scanner or computer is protected from potential electrical mishaps. When you acquire this product, you receive one high-quality USB cable cord. It's a straightforward offering, focusing on delivering a single, reliable component rather than unnecessary extras. The connector type is USB, and it's a standard USB cable type, ensuring broad compatibility where mini USB is required. In essence, if you're in need of a robust, safe, and highly compatible mini USB cable, especially for your neat receipts scanner or other essential office equipment, the Dysead option presents itself as a very strong contender. It's built to perform and protect, offering a seamless connection experience. This cable is designed to be a dependable link in your digital workflow, ensuring your devices communicate effectively and safely.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.